Last night, I watched a video which was shared on the social media. A meeting of the Goa Forward Party for Zilla Panchayat election was interrupted and actually stopped by the police inspector of Kanakana police station along with some other policemen. And I heard a discussion going on. But what I gathered from it was that there was an objection by the PI that there was no permission for sound taken. Because I heard someone saying that they had permission for conducting the meeting. I was sure that something was wrong. And I thought that the action of the PI was wrong. And I have confirmed by doing a little study on this. First, we have a model code of conduct, which is on the website of the state CEO of Goa municipal elections and the Panchayat or Zilla Panchayat elections. And in that, under item 2 at page 9, under meetings, it says, the party or candidate shall inform the local police and other concerned authorities of the venue and time any proposed meeting well in time so as to enable the police to make necessary arrangements for controlling traffic and maintaining peace and order. This means you don't have to seek permission from the election commission. You only have to inform the local police and other concerned authorities to make necessary arrangements for traffic and for peace and order. A party or candidate shall ascertain in advance if there is any restrictive or prohibitory order in force in the place proposed for the meeting. If such order exists, they shall be followed strictly. If an exemption is required from such orders, it shall be applied for and obtained well in time. Like in COVID time, there were restrictions, there were prohibitions. So you could seek permission, you could seek a relaxation. Number 2, if permission or license is to be obtained for the use of loudspeakers or any other facility in connection with any proposed meeting, the party or candidate shall apply to the authority concerned well in advance and obtain such permission or license. Now, we are talking about sound. What is the rule? If permission or license is to be obtained, it doesn't say requires to be obtained for the use of loudspeakers or other facilities. Now, under the sound pollution rules, general law throughout the country is, if you are playing any music or anything with a sound system outdoors, you need permission. And there are restrictions on your decibels and your time limits. If it is indoors, it does not require any permission. Imagine hotels playing music, channel music, or maybe music at functions, receptions, weddings, events, meetings. Every function you will have to keep seeking permission. That's not envisaged in the law. That's not provided in the central rules. And that is why this regulation, this model code rule is very clear. If permission or license is to be obtained for the use of loudspeakers. If now it was being held in a hall, I don't understand why the permission was required and how the PI could have come and stopped by saying you then don't have permission for loudspeaker. According to me, the action of the PI and his team is nothing short of a trespass, wrongful restraint, and complete wrong act of stopping the event and preventing it from being held. Even his direction that not to hold that event without the sound system was wrong. The law is very clear, and therefore the action of the PI and his team, as I mentioned, is completely illegal. I would advise Goa Forward Party to lodge a complaint against this PI and also seek damages against him for such kind of wrongful invasion of their rights. It confirms to us that this was a planned arrival, planned attempt to disrupt the meeting, planned attempt to stop the meeting, a planned attempt to make sure that no meetings are held. I warn the police officers, don't go beyond your law. Remember, this is a line which you must know where to draw and tell your political bosses, sir, I cannot do it. It is not provided for, or I am not permitted to do these things. Tell your bosses directly.